how are you today? Great! I'm super cold. Yes, because today is really cloudy. Do you see the sky? Yes, it's cloudy. And also, it's really windy. Oh, I'm so cold. It's really cold. Oh, maybe I'm not wearing the right clothes for a cloudy and windy day? Oh, but I don't know what to wear. Can you help me? Yes, because I'm super cold. Excellent, thank you. Can you go with me to my house? Great, let's go because I'm super cold. Let's go. Hello guys, how are you? Look, we are in my closet. I'm not cold anymore. But I have to go back outside so you can help me to pick my clothes for the cloudy and windy day. Great, thank you. Okay, let me see. I have here, oh, my t-shirt. Can I wear this t-shirt? No? Oh, yes, sorry. The t-shirt is for a sunny day, right? Oh, maybe, let me see. I know. Do you remember my favorite sweater? Do you remember my favorite sweater? I can wear my favorite sweater today because it's so cold and I need to be warm. Okay, I'm going to put my sweater because I'm super cold. Oh, look! I have my sweater now. Oh, I'm so warm. Okay, let me see. Can I wear... Oh, I know. Can I wear my shirts? Oh, no? Yes, the shirts are for a sunny day, not for windy and cloudy day. No, I can wear a short. But can I wear a scarf? Yes, I can wear a scarf. Look, I can wear a scarf because it's so warm. Let's go outside now. I'm ready with my sweater and my scarf. Let's go. Hello guys, look, I'm outside again. But I'm not cold anymore because I have my sweater and I have my scarf. Are you ready for a windy day? Or for a cloudy day? Great!